Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the devices. Make sure your Apple Watch model supports the full keyboard and install the latest Watch OS update so new keyboard features are available. Once done, keep your paired iPhone close with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on because some settings sync from the phone. Next, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to General and then Keyboard or Accessibility if present, and toggle the full keyboard option on. This registers the keyboard for text fields and lets the watch present the full typing layout. Now practice bringing the keyboard up. Open Messages, Mail, or any app that accepts text and tap a text field. The full keyboard should appear. Use Quick Path by swiping across letters for faster single-handed typing, or tap individual keys for precision. Press the globe icon to switch languages and the microphone to dictate when needed. Make sure to use Shift for capitals and the numbers/symbols key for punctuation. Watch autocorrect suggestions appear above the keys. Choose one to replace a word and keep typing. To finish, type your text and tap Send or Done. The content syncs through your paired iPhone so formatting and predictive suggestions remain consistent. Make sure to open the Watch app to adjust keyboard preferences like languages, text replacements, and predictive text to match your workflow. If the keyboard does not appear, first restart the Watch and the iPhone, then check for updates. If problems persist, unpair and repair the Watch as a last resort. This often restores missing keyboard functionality and resolved sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.